Assalam0alaikum great people. Today my topic is the power editors. I'm going to talk about the power editors, 7 power editors, and tell the difference what they do with us while we are using them, as I have been through in the start with some problems and with a lot of time usage and not getting to the point that what I wanted to do with my videos, the sounds or the images or the effects and everything. So today I thought to share with you all that how you can have the best editing software that is totally free. The main thing that you can get it totally free, and that is workable also, and that is completely workable for you. And you can edit your videos in that, you can edit your music in that, so within the video and all that, and effects and many things that you can do with the video editing. So let's start the video. Before going to the video, subscribe our channel and do click the bell button and share it, so you can have more videos in the future that we are going to post, as already we have been posting a lot of very good material. So let's start with some of the video editing softwares here. Here is the Filmora. I'll start with it that when you use it, when you don't download it, the main thing that you go on, and I will just tell you the problems that you have to face. Okay, I have it here, a little bit that working that I have done with it. As soon as you have put your image, your sound or your video, again an image and sound and a video, and when I try to export it, see what it does, that it will just be making it like to, if you export it, then you see that it starts giving us a screen like this, and it will take us to do what? It will take us to a free create account screen or buy it. So who want it free? Then it is basically not free, because you have to go it and create to create an account and all that, and then you that is another process. So let's go to another one. I will close it down. Next one, video VSDC, that is also a free version, but what it does, I have used it, and when trying to save the videos, and when I save the video, it does not give the exact resolution that I am trying to get. So that was not one of the good options for me. It was free, and but I try, and it is a little bit difficult that I used and found it than the other ones that I have been through using, and I was being comfortable. Let's see, it was not that much. You can go to any site. I'm not in the offense of any of these softwares. They have their credibility at their own space, but when we talk about the free ones and with the full aspects, so we have to see, we also see these things. So I want to help you out with this. So then we have a software Mojave. When you try to install iMovie, instead of iMovie, they have an alternate download of Mojave. So I have opened it also, and done a little bit work with this. I will not show you. Basically, I'm just telling you the problems. I have put the video with the sound and the picture and a bit sound here, and another video and a picture. And when I try to export it, it directly gives that it is basically it's not free. It is a trial version of 7 days period, or otherwise I have to buy it to use it. So you can find it like it's not free that. Or maybe it will have some least features or less features with that. So, or maybe it will be having, it is saying watermark on the save video, saves only half of the each video file. So you are not fully with the trial version even to be getting the full aspects of the software. So I'm going to close it also. So it's also a no from for a totally free software. So now coming to the shortcut also gave me a little bit problem. I was not being able to use it or do what I wanted, and a little bit tried. I'm not going into a little bit more details about that. A little bit that I would like to tell you about the CyberLink Power Director. Okay, let's open it. Even I can open the shortcut. Let's also see here the Power Director 18 that was being installed to my system, and it is saying your trial version expired in 27 days. It was 29 days. I have it, and you know, when there is a trial version, you don't have the full features. And also when if I do it, launch the free version, it will provide, but I think when you are looking forward to get understandings of a software, it's how it works and how you can do things. Even some of the softwares that I've been using, they were quite comfortable in using, and they were quite user friendly. But the thing again, that that if that is not totally free for a long term, or that you have learned a lot of skills in that, and when after a month or after a week that you find that it is not worth more than that period, then you are a little bit hurt with that. Okay, what you have to do more. So it has an interface, and it has a good interface. It has its properties. It is powerful. I have heard of the views about it. It is good. So but it is not totally free. It is a trial version of only 29 days to 29 days or something. So I'm going to close it also, because I'm going to tell you a little bit. And here it is also another software, that is Lightworks. If you want to install these, you want to get these, they are available in the net, and if you go on there, you will find that, okay, easily there. Now when it starts, the Lightworks, when it starts, it say all the users will automatically be given a 30-day trial pro license. It means, and first of all, what would you have to do? You will have to give your make your an account, make an account, and you have to register yourself, and then it will be given a 30-day trial. Again, that when you will be learning all those skills and all that with this software, and afterwards it will be expired, and you have to buy it, and again you have to go and look for some other software that is free. So I will also not going to be using it. I'm not through this, because I have not processed it for a registration. So I'm moving towards the best out of these all. That was the most favorite of all, because, and it is VideoPad video editor. Basically what it does, let's start. It just asks you in the start, certified that the VideoPad is being used for non-commercial home use only, because I use it for my home purpose and my home videos, to edit my home videos, and for my family videos. So I will click it to be very much sincere with that. And if you go on, I will not going to be explaining it much here. The easiest way, or I think I should go on a little bit, because you will not be getting the exact point that how it is totally free and totally workable, and having the most powerful one of the most powerful tools and features and aspects. So I'm going to start with the new project, a very quick making of it. Like I will go and add some files. Okay, I will gonna be taking a video file from here, another video file, an image, music file, another image, and I will open them all together. One would think it will open them video files here and audio files here and images here differently. So I will take one video and put it here in the drop section. It is automatically been placed here. And one good feature about this that I liked, that if I scroll with the moving roll of my mouse, if I move it backwards, the timeline increases or decreases, and if I move it on the other ways, it is expanded. See, or you can also make it like this. You can expand it, or you can make a copy of it like from here. Okay, I will first of all I will put an image here with it. Here's the image, and then I will go on and put some sound with it and to make it there. Okay, then I'm going to again, okay, I'll put a video here again from this. Now I'm going to put another picture, so it is also there, and that is another the other video also is there. So I'm going to export it now. I will not do some of the tricks with it, but I will going to tell you a few of the features of this. It has many good aspects, like you can see video effects, a lot of video effects, motion and transforms, and then aspect ratio transforms, blending and color corrections, filters, and artistics, and then creative overlays. And also in the audios you have a lot of them, and test effects you have a lot of them, 3Ds even you can have them here, or the transitions that you have a lot of them, transitions here, and also in the 3D, and you can have some trimmings, and you also have, it is just been played, you can see it's just moving on. And if we'll bring it here, gonna be playing the other now it has been up to the image. Now it is been to the sound area. I have not properly done the editing with it. I just placed them to show you that it works, and I want to show another thing to you. So I'll squeeze it out and show you the export version of this export video. Then you can also go to the video file, and when you go to the video file, you show it, you take it like a letterbox, and auto match content, it is the resolution. If you want to set a very high resolution, it is 2901 into 1920, but what I usually use is the 1920 into 1080, that is HD level editing. So I'll put in that, and overlay, and you can give a title, any title, like edited one. Suppose it's saving in the videos on the use, and it's just gonna be converting into 245.28 MBs. Let's create it, and it's just gonna be taking like about 5 to 7 minutes, or more than that. And in the start you get disappointed usually that I'm not getting a good software. So it is a way to a very good and easy and simple software for a powerful editing. Our file is going to be just completed. I'm going to show you by running it, like it is saved here in videos. I have it edited one. I'm going to play it. to show you. It's my own content, so I can show you the video because that's my own video. It is also this is the one. If we gonna be increasing the sound, you can see. Okay, it's the picture one. So it's the music part that was with the picture. So I was going to be ending this video here because it's getting too much long. Do subscribe our channel, go and watch other videos. We have some cooking videos, we have some informative videos, we have very interesting videos there, and hope to see you again. Thank you very much. Inshallah we'll be meeting again with some other very powerful and very knowledgeable videos. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.